Art with Madison.
Hi there! Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper plate project inspired by the book Brown Bear, What Do You See? By Bill Martin Jr. and Eric Carle. If you want to hear the story before we get started for some inspiration, you can find the read aloud in the description box below or in my Eric Carle playlist. I also have some fun games you could play there too. Now let's get started and see what kind of brown bear masterpiece we can create together. I'm using a white paper plate and starting by squeezing some brown paint in the center. Then, using a plastic fork, I smear the brown paint all over the inner circle. Using the spiky part of the fork, I make the brown bear's fur, like this. While my plate is drying, I'm using brown and black paper to cut out the bear's facial features. You'll need to cut out one big brown circle and 2 little brown circles for the bear's face, as well as 3 small black circles. Using some glue, stick 1 black circle on 1 small brown circle, and then do it again for the other ear. Paste another black circle on your big brown circle for the nose. And then using a black marker, I draw in the mouth. Now it's time to glue all of our pieces onto the plate. After I paste on the mouth, I use some foam stickers for the eyes. And lastly, I glue on the ears. Brown bear, what do you see? I see a creative kid looking at me. Don't forget to share your artwork with me and go check out more fun games, books, and crafts in my World of Eric Carle playlist. Bye!
Thanks for watching.